Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the We All Juggle Knives channel. Welcome to my video about the Olight M2R Pro Warrior. So, a tale of three warriors. What's all this? Well, this was my first. Here's what we're talking about here. M2R Pro Warrior. This is my first one. This is essentially, mine that I use. And I've done a full review of this, so you can check out that video if you want to see all the stats and everything like that. Now this is the green one that they came out with. Very snazzy, definitely. Kind of reminds me of Christmas. Also reminds me a little bit, because of the green, kind of reminds me of bushcraft. Now what is this? This is going to be the subject of this video, because this is, wow, that is a beauty. It's a limited edition orange, right? The orange M2R Pro Warrior. Now this is 30% off. I'm going to post this once they have that sale rolling. And this video is just to help you decide if you're wondering, should I pull the trigger? Should I take advantage of that sale? Well, here's more information for you. I don't know. You can decide for yourself if you think this thing is a beauty. I mean, it's really well done. As you can see, it has an easily removable pocket clip. It's a two-way clip. It's got texture for grip. It's got a flat part right here. That's an anti-roll feature. Got side switch and tail switch, right, for quick access to either turbo or strobe. This also comes with their magnetic recharging station. All right, so that's pretty cool. They're only making 5,000 of these, considering there's well over 300 million people in America, and probably over 30 million that are basically tool-using, blue-collar people that need flashlights. That's not many to go around for all of America. Now check out this Olight, which I showed recently. These have sold out. Yeah, congratulations if you got in on one of these. I mean, they're doing some crazy things. I mean, I don't collect flashlights for their looks, but maybe that's just because up until now they didn't look so damn good. I wish I had a sports car that was this color. But yeah, Olight, I'm sure they are very sorry that these sold out so quickly, because a lot of people were actually angry because they couldn't get in on that. And so I'm sure Olight is trying to figure out, okay, how can they better estimate how many to make so they can satisfy the demand, which is you. So I'm sure they're working on that, or at least, I would be if I was them. So basically they're doing 30% off that orange one, and they're also doing huge discounts on all sorts of other models. All right, this is 1800 lumens maximum, all right, 300 meter throw. And again, you can check out the full review, but in this video I'm going to just give you some more footage, some more information. I'm actually going to take this out and just get some more shots. Again, those are just to help you if you're on the fence. I did check the weather. It's about 22 degrees, and for some reason the humidity is approaching 90%, so could be some adverse conditions, some fog, a little bit cold, but that's not going to stop us. We're going to see what we can do. All right, let's go. All right, YouTube, we're out in the field with this Olight. There's the lit side switch. What can we see? Let's do turbo. Wow. Let's walk and talk as we search for Bigfoots. Nothing much here. Let me strobe this around again, just to show you what this light can do. Yeah, this is an excellent design. A lot of people have this, and it's proven itself with many. You can check out all the reviews. I like that nice focused beam. Any critters around? I've treed many a raccoon on this very road, the road of no lights. A little chilly out tonight. And even though this is in turbo mode, oh, it's getting a little hot. It actually feels good. It's getting a little hot. This has been in turbo mode all this time. You hear that train in the background? That's a freight train. Alright, let's go. Let's go check out the creek. Alright, YouTube, here we are overlooking the creek. And you want to see my breath? See that? No? I'm not vaping. It's just a little chilly out. Alright, let's give us some more light. What can we see? Wow. Yeah, I like that focused beam. Yep. The camcorder was giving me a little trouble earlier because these camcorders, they don't work so good in below a certain temperature. So what I do when I'm wandering around out here, I actually try to keep the camcorder kind of like close to my body so it can get some body heat, and hopefully it'll last longer. Seems to be doing okay now. And this light is doing more than okay. Alright, YouTube, we're at the sports field. This is actually around kind of the edge of the field. Let's look at the what is this stuff? Yeah, it looks like they have some fallen branches from the last storm. Yeah, this'll reach right up to the top of those tall trees. Alright, YouTube, I am at one end of the field. There's a bench. Now it seems that they have moved the goal because, you know, it's Christmas vacation, and because of the COVID, they're not having any sporting events here. So they did move the goals, but I can see they are still roughly, they actually might be farther away than the normal length. So we're going to shine a light on them anyway. You see the goals there. All right, so they would usually be over there. But yeah, this definitely crosses the field. Wow. I mean, this is some good range from this light, no doubt. Yeah, there they are. Alright, YouTube, we are back. I hope you enjoyed that. We are back inside where it is suitably toasty warm. And that is, this is a beautiful freaking light. For sure. You know, I took a little nap earlier. I gotta confess, dude. I took a little nap earlier so that I could wake up and do this review. I know you're saying, that's cheating. You're supposed to just stay up straight like a trooper. Yeah, man. Just give you some more close-ups of this. Yeah, man, when you get old, you know, you can't do that stuff. When I was... Oh. Train again. When I was in my 20s, we used to stay up all night, go to 24-hour diners on the highway. You can't do that stuff when you get old, man. You're going to be like, you'll regret it tomorrow. But I am going to stay up all night and edit this. Or at least till the early morn. Well, that freight train, I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, we got freight trains here. But, final thoughts on this light. Definitely kind of a worthwhile limited edition. And just the base model itself, it's got some good range, good focus, good brightness. Uses a 21700 battery with a lot of capacity. And that magnetic charging station is nice and convenient. So, you may wish to take advantage of the sale on this, 30% off. That's pretty good. Or some of their other sales that they're having. I'll put the link in. You know, there are many promotions. You can save a lot of money as Christmas is fast approaching. And I got to tell you, these flashlight companies, they are desperate to close their books on a good note. So they're going to sell stuff at a loss, right? To just at least they can say they have high volume of sales. So they are basically just for accounting purposes to close off the year. You're going to get some crazy deals available, and that's just good for us. It's to our benefit, the consumer. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Take advantage. Check out the links. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.